Okay, so this thing has a misfire in cylinder 8, right? It's got a horrible tapping, ticking, demolishing noise coming from the motor. But it's doing this ticking sound after I shut it off. And you know, I've tried to figure out where it's coming from. Sounds like it's coming down by the headers. But watch what it does. Like, I'm gonna start it real quick and then turn it off again. And the ticking gets louder and it just keeps doing it, right? But watch what happens when I tap the headers while it's ticking. It just stops. It's so weird. Stay right there. Not doing the ticking now? Yeah, it is. A little bit. Let me see this. It's ticking right down here. Watch this. Ticks, and then I tap it and it stops. So weird. What could that be, guys? I really need help with this. Right now I was leaning towards like valve springs yesterday, but now I'm leaning towards lifter and a cam low gate out. But it's just so weird how it's making that ticking, and it just goes away when I tap the headers. That's got me over here scratching my dome.